Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be cooking a good breakfast for your family that entails bread and only eggs. It's as easy as that. And before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for notifications as we continue in this journey. Now for today as I've said, we're going to make toasty mayai, which will need bread and an egg, or eggs if you like. And the first thing you want to do is make a hole in the middle of your bread, and like I have done so here, make a hole. Don't destroy the edges or you'll destroy the whole thing. The next thing you need to do is take some oil, like olive oil or any oil you use, and then after that you just need to pour 2 teaspoons, and I repeat, 2 teaspoons in, so that you don't overcook it or make your bread soggy. And you need to have a very good fire, please, something you can use as a heat of sauce. And let's begin. First I'm going to take a tablespoon. Today I'm going to use, if you don't mind, I'll use this equivalent to a teaspoon, and then I'm going to just put 2 here, as you can see. Let me make this very easy for you to see. As you saw, I put 2 tablespoons, and I'm sorry for my choreography, but you'll have to excuse me as I do and show you how to do these things. Now what you need next is a good source of heat, and what I have said, this will be cooking with an average source of heat. Make sure that is average or minimum or at the middle, so that you don't overcook your toasty mayai. Just going to wait for that. In the meantime, I have cumin, as you can see. Cumin is very good for eggs and it spices things up. And then you need salt also. If you need to add some spices, you can add them. There's no limit to this, but make sure that you leave the instructions on those spices so that you don't destroy your eggs or anything else. Now let's see. Now you can see, I believe my oil is ready. Now the second step you need to do is take your bread, then put it inside. Take your egg so that you can smash it. The first thing is smash it in that round circle. Make sure the egg, everything content of the egg does not leave the circle. Secondly, you need your salt, and like every egg you cook, don't use a lot of salt, just a pinch of salt. Pour it on top. Just put the depends on what you like. As you can hear, as mine is sizzling now, as it is as it is cooking, you can also take cumin if you have spices. If you don't worry, you can also eat it without it. Take a pinch, put it on top, take another pinch. You need to put, depending on what you like, you can put 1 pinch, 2 pinch, 3, depending on what you like. Put it all over. Okay, we're back now. Before you turn it, make sure that the only part that is like not yet hardened is the top part. The other part is white, so can be white, so you can be able to turn it so that the other part cannot overcook and get spoiled. So we're going to turn very slowly. This part, you need this, the remaining part of your bread. I'm sorry for not showing it, but you can use this to cover the other parts, like so. Let me turn it a little bit. Because the bread, you put it on top so that you can have 4 slices of bread. Then we turn it. And as I've said before, this can be drunk with anything you want: tea, juice, soda, anything you want. And now as this is getting ready, and if you think that yours is not getting enough fat, you can add oil. Alright, let's go. You can add just 1 tablespoon. Now for this you need to press it so that the other part, the round part that you put in last, can be able to fit. And I think we're done. Now I'm going to show you. Take a plate, somewhere you can put it, and put your eggs there. Put more than 1 or 2. And now I'm going to show you. These are my eggs. Sorry if you can't see it well. This is my egg. It's very cooked finely. It's easy, and as I told you, it can go with anything. Oh, and before anything, don't forget to turn off the gas. And this is tasty. You can put it with another bread. And make it look like a sandwich. As you can see, it's now like a sandwich. There's eggs, there's bread, everything you need. Now this, as I said, you can take it with anything. It doesn't depend on what you have: juice, soda, milk, strong tea, whatever you want. And before I forget, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for more notifications for our channel. And thank you, and stay tuned.